Hello students, today we are going to continue our topic, that is ulcers, and today we are going to take rodent ulcer. Before starting with rodent ulcer, I would like to tell you that ulcer is a long question and all the various types of ulcers like tubercular ulcer, syphilitic ulcer, rodent ulcer, Marjolin's ulcer, diabetic ulcer, all these are frequently asked in exams as short note. So today we are going to cover rodent ulcer. So rodent ulcer is a low grade locally invasive carcinoma arising from the basal cells of skin. Arising from the basal cells of skin or from cells of similar origin or from the cells of hair follicle. This is called as ulcer because this tumor is having a tendency to erode on the skin. It comes out of the skin, it breaks out of the skin. क्या होता है कि जो ट्यूमर है एक्चुअली वो ट्यूमर जैसा है लेकिन वो स्किन के ऊपर आके अल्सर के जैसा दिखता है, इसलिए उसको अल्सर बोला जाता है. एंड दिस वर्ड rodent, you know rat, it is coming from this word rat because जैसे चूहे की आदत रहती है ना, जो भी चीज उसके रास्ते में आ रही है वो क्या करता है, उसको कुतरते हुए जाता है. So this tumor is also having a typical tendency to erode whatever comes in its way, whether it is skin or cartilage or bones. जो भी इसके रास्ते में आएगा उसको वो डिस्ट्रॉय करते जाएगा, उसको वो इरोड करते जाएगा, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज rodent. It is the most common form of skin carcinoma. It is common in white skinned people as compared to the black people. More common in places where there is exposure to ultraviolet rays, like Australia. It's more common in Australia where there is exposure to ultraviolet rays. The usual age group is around 45 to 79 years of age and more common in males as compared to females. The common site of this rodent ulcer is face. 90% of rodent ulcer they occur on face, few on the lower limb also, and on the face the typical site where you get this rodent ulcer is a line joining the angle of mouth. ये जो ना angle of mouth up to the ear lobule, इस line के ऊपर. So above the line joining the angle of mouth to the ear lobule, this is the commonest site. This tumor, sorry, this ulcer, tumor नहीं बोलेंगे अपन. This ulcer is also called as tear ulcer or tear cancer. टीयर पता है, ठीक है, आंसू जो आंख में से टपकता है. तो ये जो अल्सर है ना, ये टिपिकली यहाँ पे रहेगा, ऐसा लगेगा जैसे कोई रो रहा है, बूंद टपक रही है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज टीयर कैंसर ऑल्सो. एंड दिस इज द साइट दैट इज इनर कैंथस, नियर द इनर कैंथस ऑफ आई. ओके, गॉट इट. सो कई बार एग्जाम में दे कैन आस्क यू एज टीयर कैंसर ऑल्सो. Then if you see the spread of this tumor, this is a locally malignant tumor. Locally malignant tumor, and it is not having any lymphatic metastasis or blood-borne metastasis. Now what do you mean by metastasis? Before going further, I'll explain you what do you mean by metastasis. Metastasis means spread. मैलिग्नेंसी एक जगह से दूसरी जगह स्प्रेड होती है, ठीक है. दिस इज द प्राइमरी साइट and this is the secondary site. यहाँ मेन ट्यूमर है, दिस इज द मेन प्राइमरी ट्यूमर, और ये कहीं तो भी आगे जाके स्प्रेड होगा, एंड दिस मेटास्टेसिस कैन ऑकर वाया ब्लड, that is venous blood, via lymphatics, it can be direct spread. So these are the different ways by which a tumor can metastasize. So actually this is a locally malignant tumor which doesn't metastasize through blood or lymphatics, but it is locally malignant. फिर से बोल रही हूँ locally malignant because it infiltrates into the deeper tissues or structures like bones and cartilage, जो भी इसके रास्ते में आ रहा है, causing a lot of destruction. Then coming on to types. Types is बहुत ज़्यादा important नहीं है, but we'll see. Just go through the names of types. So in types, it is either nodular or ulcerative. It can be cystic or field fire. Cystic, or fourth one is field fire. So these are the usual types: nodular, ulcerative, cystic और field fire. इसमें से ज़्यादा कॉमन है, एक तो नोड्यूलर है और दूसरा अल्सरेटिव है, ये दोनों ज़्यादा कॉमन है. इन्वेस्टिगेशन, as we have previously seen in ulcers, biopsy, that is called as edge biopsy. Okay, आप बायोप्सी लेते हो ट्यूमर अल्सर के एज से. रिमेंबर, दिस इज द एज ऑफ एन अल्सर, तो आप वहां से बायोप्सी लेते हो. एंड सेकेंडली एक्सरे ऑफ द area so that we can come to know whether there is infiltration in the bone or not. Treatment is, actually this rodent ulcers, they are radio sensitive. Radio sensitive means अगर आप radiotherapy दे रहे हैं तो you get a better result, and this radiotherapy is usually advisable in elderly people, but giving radiotherapy to a rodent ulcer site अपने को पता है where just near the eye, तो आपको क्या करना है, you have to protect the eye with a eye shield if you are giving radiotherapy. Then second line of treatment is surgery. In surgery we go for tri-dimensional excision of the tumor. Tri-dimensional excision of the tumor. Wide tri-dimensional excision of the tumor. Wide tri-dimensional excision means आप उसको साइड से प्लस डेप्थ में आपको पूरा निकालना है. So that is wide tri-dimensional excision which is followed by skin grafting. क्योंकि जो एक एरिया बचेगी after removal of this ulcer, that area is to be covered with a graft. And this surgery is having very good result, usually around 85 to 95%. There are cure rates. You can go for laser or you can also go for cryosurgery. So today we have completed rodent ulcer, and this is usually asked for 5 marks in the exam. And in next lectures we'll continue with other types of ulcers. Okay. Thank you.